Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for this morning. And the DAX is still not interesting me, to be quite honest. If you look at what's been going on the last 4 months now, it's really not trending. It's all over the place. And if you look at the daily price action here, I've got gaps to the downside. I ended up with an inside bar, and then I've got a pin bar. The only good thing, or when I say good thing, I'm really referring to structure, and that is that the moving averages on the day, not the moving average, sorry, the oscillators are grouping and crossing over. So we already got one crossover and the other. We actually got two crossovers at the moment. And we've got diversion. So there's low, prices are higher low, here is low, lower low. So this consolidation that we've been going through the last couple of months, it could actually be building a base ready for a move, another move higher. Right, let's just look down at the lower time frames and start seeing what we can see. Now, at the moment, on the 3 hour, pretty much nothing. Oscillator's not giving us any indication. Up and down, in amongst the moving averages, basically sideways to down. It's a little channel that we're in at the moment. There's the channel there. Just adjust that one. There it is there. That's the structure that is forming. We obviously need to wait for that structure to break. And if you look at it that way on the hour, see, we are pretty much in amongst the moving averages, and that is sideways in anyone's books. I'm not 100% sure that we even need to be watching this. We probably need to switch this off and come back next year by the looks of things. But keep looking at it, because something is going to happen shortly. So key things to watch out for. First thing is we do have this gap to the downside. Technically, we are below the moving averages, so that is indicating a trend to the downside. It is an ever so slight channel or trend to the downside that is playing out at the moment. So we're going to see what happens here at 15,695, 15,700. I think that's the key at the moment. And what I just want to do quickly is just have a look at the futures market at the moment. I know Asia's down at the moment, but US is ever so slightly up. So the DAX down 0.19 at the moment, and US futures are flat. Okay, so what does that mean for us? Basically means more sideways action as far as I'm concerned. You're probably going to have a gap down and then a retest of these lows here. Possibly even pushing back below. Keep staying on this channel, just keep driving down until we close the gap. Oscillators also agreeing with that at the moment, but that's not something, even on the 15-minute, that's really not something I want to be trading. There's just nothing going on. It's really sideways, and I don't like sideways markets. They tend to burn me more often than not. So anyway, that is kind of my view at the moment. I'm definitely not getting involved in this. So we will continue to sit on the sideline and wait for some form of structure to assist us in getting in on the direction it should be moving in. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.